have another question
Sure.
for you. So what qualifications and certifications are needed?
Yeah, great question as well. Um, Specific academic degrees, depending on the space and the company requirements, sometimes there's even legal regulatory responsibilities that a company has, and so they will require certain levels of degrees. So there may be positions that require an MD or a DO, a PharmD, an RN. These are all typical common degrees that are in the space. Healthcare professional degrees, life sciences degrees, those are all, I would say, the certain types of academic degrees that exist. If we're talking more of an operational associate type role that would be involved in case processing, triage, different things like that, lots of times a simple bachelor's degree. I say simple, that's what I have. I have a bachelor's of science, but you don't need to have overly extensive training for an operational role. Most of the time you can get into that space as a bachelor's of science, bachelor's of arts, with additional training in pharmaceutical biotechnology industry, and specifically with clinical trials and pharmacovigilance, drug safety. So I think you have to put yourself into the shoes, and you'll hear me say this probably again, of the hiring manager. How will you be? How does your degree fit into those typical roles? And have you attended additional training specifically about pharmacovigilance, clinical trials, things like that?
Yeah, thank you, and it's a great tips and advices, and I couldn't agree anymore. So yeah, this is very important, and as you said before, we need the medical judgment, the knowledge of the regulation, of the medical terminology also, and also the use of databases, some MS Office,